Hi everyone, Pratiksha this side. We are back with something new. In today's industrial landscape, ensuring product quality is crucial. Traditionally, this involves manual visual checks, which can be time consuming and glitchy. That's why we have developed an innovative system, the Teksun Automated Quality Check System, to transform visual quality check for manual assemblies of industrial goods, streamlining the quality assurance process in manufacturing. We are considering assembling electrical components on the DIN rail for demonstration purposes. However, the system can be customized for various applications, making it suitable for multiple industries and assembly types. Now let's explore the demo. We have considered a DIN rail and an MCB with the three different components: blue, red and yellow terminal. This visual presentation showcases the demo setup. It includes both hardware components and the application responsible for result detection. As you can see on my screen, there are 4 different SKUs, each displaying a unique pattern. You will find the username and current date in the top of right corner. Below that, the 4 SKUs display predefined assembly sequences. Clicking on each SKU reveals its respective sequence with the starting of count of 0, indicating an incomplete sequence. One of my colleagues will help us for this demonstration. Below the SKUs, we have list of steps to follow and the steps currently in progress. For instance, in SKU 1, the sequence begins with placing the MCB, followed by the blue terminal, then the red terminal, and finally the yellow terminal. As each part is detected, the sequence progress is accordingly. Let's experiment by placing parts in a wrong order. Starting with the MCB, I'll put the red terminal instead of blue terminal. Result is mismatched. The number of parts used throughout the process can be tracked on the right side of the screen. That's a wrap for today's demo. Stay tuned for more tech insights. See you next time. Thank you.